How to find TonKeeper wallet address. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to find your TonKeeper wallet address. So to do this, start by launching the TonKeeper mobile application and log into your account using your fingerprints or the passcode. Once you've successfully logged in and you're on the home page, locate your wallet at the top. By tapping on the drop-down arrow button, you will see all the wallets available on your TonKeeper wallet. Simply select the specific wallet for which you need the address, and after selecting it, your current balance will be displayed at the top. And just below it, you will find your wallet address. Tapping on it, it will show a copied message indicating that you have successfully copied your TonKeeper wallet address. Now you can use this address for depositing or withdrawing the funds from your TonKeeper wallet, and for more details on your TonKeeper wallet address, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings, scroll down and select this address update option, and here you will be able to view both of your old and new wallet address. You can also copy the wallet address from this section, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.